If you're looking for an affordable and killer gaming monitor, you might want to watch this video. This is the MateView GT, Huawei's new offer to serious gamers and content creators. It is a curved 34-inch HDR ultrawide gaming monitor with a smooth refresh rate of 165Hz. It has a 2K resolution VA panel with high color accuracy and 400 nits of maximum brightness. It also has an adjustable RGB soundbar stand with touch controls. Priced at 27,000 pesos or $540 US, let's see if this thing is worth buying. Welcome to a Tech Builder Review episode. Today we're going to do a review and unboxing of Huawei's new killer gaming monitor, the Huawei MateView GT. Now I have owned a lot of gaming monitors in the past, but nothing that comes with a box as large as this. At the upper side of the styro, you get a lot of accessories from a brown box. Let's see what's inside the box. Ooh, an instruction manual that I most probably wouldn't read. Another thing that I was glad to find out is that this monitor came with a lot of high quality cables, 2 USB-C cables, and a display port cable. Another thing that really got my attention was the power adapter. It is a 135-watt USB-C adapter, and I do believe that this thing can power a laptop while carrying video at the same USB-C cable. At the top of the styro, you get the novelty LCD stand. It's not your regular monitor stand, as it seems to have some connection pins for pairing with the monitor. That's because the stand doubles as an RGB soundbar with touch controls. At the back of the monitor is the cheeky Huawei logo and a VESA-compatible wall mount joint. Underneath the monitor is the power button that doubles as a joystick for the LCD menu. Removing the magnetic backplate reveals the ports at the back, USB-C for the power input and 2 HDMI 2.0 ports for video inputs, display port for 165Hz, USB-C for video and audio, and an audio jack for audio output. Installing the monitor to the stand is very straightforward. You just have to snap it on in place and it locks onto the stand. The height and the viewing angles can easily be set up to your own preference. It is well built and feels really sturdy. So how does the soundbar sound like? Here's a quick binaural sound test. It is clear, punchy, and loud. Lacks a bit of bass but has really good and immersive stereo separation. Overall, it is impressive. The only problem that I had was something personal. My desk was tight on space. I really wish I had a deeper desk. Nonetheless, I already have a good speaker setup, a nice DAC and amplifier, so I had to replace my beautiful stand and wall mount my monitor. It was also easy to disassemble as well. I grabbed the VESA mount and added some LED strips at the back and installed the behemoth monitor on my wall. And in a typical gamer fashion, let us turn on the RGB LEDs. For the gaming test, I am using my gaming and editing rig packed with an RTX 3070, a Ryzen 9 5950X, and 64 gigs of RAM. They are connected on a dual monitor setup, but we'll be focusing on one monitor on this test. If you are new to high refresh rate monitors, be sure to set it at 165Hz. A game of Forza Horizon 4 proves how better a racing game could be on a large ultra-wide monitor. Moving on to a more competitive and graphically immersive game, Call of Duty Warzone was really good on this. The 165Hz refresh rate gives you an edge and a buttery smooth experience. With VSync turned off, there's not even a hint of screen tearing present. The 2K resolution gives you more pixels for clearer image and makes spotting enemies easier to see. Moving on to CSGO, take note that games like this get stretched since game devs limit the field of view, as it could give an unfair advantage to ultra-wide users. The 4 millisecond response time was no biggie and is still a fast monitor. Open world games like GTA 5 was quite enjoyable, as you would see a wider field of view as well. Now let's talk about colors, contrast, and viewing angles. Battlefield 5 brought the best out of this HDR supported monitor. With 100% SRGB and 90% DCI-P3 color space ratings, colors are overwhelmingly accurate for its price range, and it shows. Up front, blacks are deep even for a VA panel. At the sides, light starts to leak, which wasn't an issue since you won't be viewing curved monitors from the sides in the first place. For a 34-inch ultra-wide monitor, the curved screen was a nice combo, as it feels like the monitor hugs your eyes. Cyberpunk looked great as well. PUBG, being the beautiful open-world battle royale game it is, was quite enjoyable as you see a wider view of the map's scenery. I will be using this as my main monitor for my dual monitor setup for years to come. Overall, I was quite pleased with its performance when it comes to gaming and with the color accuracy the MateView gives me for editing my channel's videos. I hope you guys like this unboxing video, stay safe, and see you guys next time. Thanks for watching!